That was this masquerade from Anambra. They called him Agaba. I want to start with that commotion that happened. It has been like trending, and I want to add my voice to a kind of point some vital to point some vital issues that we should look into, because we know that this culture or tradition thing is what we are the most problematic thing that the world is facing today, and it's based on Islamic of something. They are what they have been doing that is causing a lot of trouble in the world, and this one somehow is pointing at Igbo people and our tribe in particular, because from that particular video, this social media, I'm happy with it. It doesn't matter the way it is bringing out things. I'm telling you honestly truth, for truth is not affecting it, because truth is always there to stand where it's standing. But you see, when it is wrong, that is where it will affect many people, because you cannot tell me in your real sense or in truthfulness that what is not good is not good, or what is bad is not bad. You yourself, but those people that have evil mind, they don't care. But this time, thank God for social media, because you will care by force, because people will make you to care. Go to internet, go to media, and see how people are that is smashing with that masquerade. It doesn't matter the kind of level or respect people are giving you, because you are representing a whole tribe. You are no longer you alone in that costume, or what you are performing, or whatever you are bringing out. You are representing a whole tribe. I might not be from Anambra. I am not from Anambra or something, but I know I have similar thing in my own side. And the only thing that will make this thing to be a kind of warning and the correction must take place is that if we continue like this, the media is there to make other people to begin to question some things. And it's time, even for our own and any other people's own, to make a correction of those ones that are caution anybody that is going to represent the tribe or community in that masquerade must be cautioned. And even people that are leading, they should be strong enough to hold him. If they should not be strong, they did not come out at all, because this is a shame to the tradition or culture. Because as I'm watching it doesn't give me even if that man has something that he is a kind of he has issue with that man, that should be a personal issue, not a public thing that you come out and use because of you are in that costume that people respect, and do whatever you like. No. Even though that they said that they have carried all of them, that is the right thing. If you have any issue, settle it amicably. Not this is meant for entertainment or to cheer the people, not to cause trouble. So if anybody should divert from the right thing to anything, I am against it. So I am not against culture or tradition, but I am against anything that is against human rights or life. Or even I saw one Okada man that I don't know whether the man whether he sustained injury or something like that, but he hit one guy. He just I don't know, he came by force to him, and the man, trying to escape not to harm the masquerade, rushed to a car and hit himself. And that was a brutal one. So it's not encouraging at all. This is totally unaccepted, because if it continues like that, it will be happening to other. I know it has all these things, people are not looking into it very, but thank God for social media, because now a lot of people are adding their voice to say, those ones that are not good, we must correct it. We mustn't continue to say, this is just our culture. It's human being that made that culture, and human beings should correct the ones that is not helpful. That is how a nation grew. In abroad, you don't you will not even dare it at all, because from that the time you started coming to the stage, people, even police and other people should be around to see whatever that they're everywhere. So anything that is, especially in a open place like this, tell me why police should not come earlier to do it, before even he entered the stage to do the unthinkable. So all these things, maybe even though that I didn't hear that anybody has maybe sustained wound or something, but whatever that might transpire, that's a single act is very, very bad. and should be cautioned, so that other states should learn from that. The media has come to expose a lot of things, and people should take correction. It's not as it was before, maybe when the world was in darkness, nobody knows what it is. That is, people are passing through many things that nobody will kind of help, because if not that people videoed it and show it to public, then it will just end there. Maybe they will go to settle it in a village, maybe by the leader of the village or something like that, and maybe after everything they will say that no, it's masquerade, you don't question it, don't, it will end. But it's affecting humanity. So it is very important that we know all these things and do the needful. Another thing that I want to point is for our freedom, that we are still like we continue to push in this, because it is very important. I just want to point on the issue of the people that are like the gossipers are getting tired this time. Asị na asị na isi na asị, ike ga-agwụ ndị asịrị o. Asị na isi na asị o, ike ga-agwụ ndị asịrị o. Because that it is not funny at all. People that cause the trouble in this movement of Biafra is fighting themselves. Not only that, exposition is coming right from their mouth. It's not people that is telling their evil. They are saying it by themselves. You saw the one of Joseph Carlos said that he said that they are killing people when they are in PDP. They know that what they are doing is wrong. Is it normal? I don't know, this spirit, they got too much. What spirit of Biafra? Don't joke with it. Don't just try it, because once you there, you will hear what more, you can't escape it, because it doesn't matter how long. Many people have tried, and for those who want to try their own, go and ask question, and then know that it is no go area. Because if you can fight human, definitely not spirit. You can try human but not spirit. That's why up till now the enemies cannot do anything. We are almost there, because by God's grace this year, and I'm just like to just be giving it to you as a kind of hint, not that though it is there in the social media. By God's grace, we are hoping to see our leaders to be out by God's grace, and it will not be too long. We have heard that it's by April, early April, we are expecting our PM to go for his appeal to review all this, as they say. If that one is review, I don't know, or the appeal, because I think the appeal should be the August, September, something like. But reviewing, either review should be April, something like that. But whichever way, however, it is all working for our good. So you should be thankful to God that ukike na rolia. So I'll not go further than to say umu ife ndị eziokwu jisi n'ike na ọ ga-adịrị anyị na mma. And those that are not being with us in what we are doing, ọ na-apụ apụ, ụgbọ a na-apụ apụ. Ụgbọ ndụ agha akwana gị o, Biafra agha akwana gị o. Ụgbọ ndụ ebighị ebi o, na-ekwe ndị ụgbọ ndụ ghara o. Ndị ụgbọ ndụ ghara, ụgbọ ọnwụ zutere ha bụrụ ọnwụ ebighị ebi o. Onye Biafra ghara, n'imazụ zutere ya bụrụ onye gara aga. So I will just leave it here to say, ka Chineke mezuo nkwa ya n'aha Chukwu ka bịa ma ise.